This is Ali Abdul Wahab, ID 2015-01595. Today I am presenting my project. My project is about converting a paper-based system to computerized system by creating a fully functional database, and in front of it a website that contains two sections. The first section is the admin panel and the second section is the user interface. The admin panel will have some features, which is like adding and removing and updating elements inside the database, like news, services, minimum amount, like that. And the user size can donate, register for aid, read news, etc., which we will see in the next slides in the features slide. What technology I have been using? I used for implementation, I used the languages PHP, HTML and JavaScript. I use the NetBeans IDE to implement that. Why the NetBeans IDE? The main reason for that, because it is free, and we have used a lot in the university, so I have a big experience on that. And there are a lot of alternative, but we have like the Dreamweaver from Adobe, but this one has some wrangling issue, sometimes give you errors without any reason, so I go with the NetBeans because it's better for me. Because PHP need a server and it can be run in the local host like the HTML without any server, I use the XAMPP Apache server to make a virtual server in my computer, so I can work with the local host without buying a server or renting one. The main reason of this, because it is faster when you upload files to localhost. Instead of uploading to the server, it will take time, because depending on the depending on the net, the speed internet, the bandwidth, so sometimes it takes time to upload it and update the codes. I have a live chat service in the website, so instead of implementing one from zero and getting a lot of structures on it, there is a free version of it. It gives you a plugin for your website to use it to use the live chat. I used something called the plugin called Smart Apps. This one give you like a JavaScript code, and you implement it in your website, and you get an interface in the website. You can chat with your clients without any issues, and if there is any bug, they will deal with it and fix it. Last but not least, because I have a new payment gateway I invented, it's depending on the benefit pay, Scan and Pay. I need to what I did is like sending the bank SMS to the email. So to do that, I used my phone, which is Android, and there is a app called SMS Forwarder, which will transfer the SMS into the emails, and like that I can insert it to the database later. The design as shown here, this is my UML design. I have like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 tables in the database, which are 9 tables in the database, which are for the main news panel, for the transaction, for the services, for the applications, and for donation, and for the minimum income for the user, which is the admins, which they have many roles, so I need a table for them. And for the news, there is a lookup table between the services and donations, which is called donation services. Each donation will have multiple services. For like he donated for 3-4 services, it will insert it in that table, and they can check up from this table. On the features, the app has a lot of features. The main, which I will show later in the website demonstration, the main thing is user can donate or register for donation if they need help. If their salary is minimum than if their income is minimum than the requirement, the website will automatically rejected. I have a live chat function, so the admin and the user can communicate fast without any issues. There is a blog in the website. User can see this blog and see the news. Admin can amend all types of services inside this website, like the services, applications, user news, slide panel, and the minimum income. Finally, the admin can generate an income report when he go to the admin panel. If he is authorized, he will see the income reports and the total donations, each service, how many donation each services, how much did she get. Bahraini representative. Why this is needed in Bahrain? Because this organization is already in Bahrain. She is working in donations and charities work. Paper-based type is a lot of time consuming for them, so when they get this website, it will be more easier for them, and they will have the chance to help more people and reduce the time. Future work. What can be added to this project? We can add a credit card payment gateway, which is need to be subscribed to one of the banks which is who offer it, and it can we can make the outcome report for the website. The outcome report, like when anybody register for the website, it will take which category he is in and calculate how much he will get and minus it from the website, from the income, which is the donation. Okay, when we get to the main page from the website, which is actually the only page in the user side, because I made this this website as a modern new style of PHP, which is containing only one page and all the functions working as JavaScript, so no other pages at all. We will see in the first header we get the contact us, which is the social media accounts, and the email and phone. When we go down, we will get the panel with the links. These links will take you to each location of the website. So like general donation will get you to the general donation. About us will get you to the about us, and that's all. Okay, after that we will get the application for aid. Anybody want to get help, like he has a problem. Today we will get an example of Hassan al-Khij, which is a Bahraini guy who get cancer, a special type of cancer, and he need money to travel to USA and complete his medicine. So let's say he wants an help. I say Hassan CPR, whatever CPR, phone number, email. Here is the income side. There is a calculation behind this one, the code in the back end. This one, when he enter his income, like say 5,000 PD his income, he don't have dictation. This one was not authorized to get the help because he has money already, so the system will auto reject this application. And after that, there is the approved document. He should upload a document with all his details and any needed paper. A message, write the situation. I am Bahraini guy who cancer. complete. As we when he put 0 like no deduction, we will get your income is more than the minimum income, so he can't enroll this organization. So let's say the income is 200, he is suffering like dictation, like he need 100,000. Actually this one is depending, like if he has around 200 and his dictation is 250, he only needs 50 he will get a monthly helping, but that's from the organization rule and organization policies. But let's say he need 50,000 for example. Complete the order. Okay, that's one complete. Here is the slide panel. The admin can insert any advertise he want here. When we go down, we get the services. We have general donation. Actually general donation is always here, we can donate, but it will get all the services. Any services inserted in the database, it will get here. Let's say I want to donate 100 BD. Okay, and I want to donate to Hassan 10 BD. We'll get on the basket or say donation list. When we open the donation list, we see we have two types of donation: Hassan al-Khij, or let's say I don't want to do general donation, only I want to donate to Hassan. I will click, I will remove that, and I will continue. Here we get the payment gateway, the special type of payment gateway. I have made it. Actually it depends on benefit pay application. It can send money to benefit pay. Your name, Ali Abdul Wahab, your email, whatever is email, CPR, and last IBAN reference, last 4 digits. Actually it's always in the when he get in the benefit pay app, it will be, so he can put it here like 1001. That's my whatever. After that he will do scan and pay from benefit pay and scan this code, which is will direct him directly, put the IBAN and the amount need to donate. I will do that now to show you. I will scan it by my phone and send it, and it will be inserted in the database. Let's say scan and pay forward plus. Okay, I submitted this transaction. After I submitted, I do complete order. Okay, now let's complete. As I said, we have the general donation here. Here we have the blog. When we click on the blog, we will get the another picture. It can be upload. He can upload 2 pictures, and the description is here. Here we have the about us section, which is included general information and brief about the organization. Here we have the location, which is based on Google Map. If you are using your phone, or click here, it will direct you to Google Map, and you can direct to the organization directly. Okay, here as we say, we have contact us. He will give, there is the phone and the WhatsApp. It's up actually, it's already there, but another, yeah, because it's always down, so some people are related to get it there. Actually, when you submit the donation list, the donation, it will go through the app, which is loading the SMS from the phone and send it to email. There is a code. Read the emails, extract the IBAN number and the amount from it, and insert it into the database. From the database, it will get the transaction. I will show it later. Here we have the chat. Oh my god, the live chat function. Actually it's based on another it's a plugin from another website. Let's say, hello, I want to get to know what happened with my application. Here is the panel of the website. It's already there. However, I want to know what's happened about them. There is the special thing about here, we have a shortcut and a quill put, so it's very good. You can replay automatically, or to fasten it, like when he asks about the order, you can replay to him, may I have your CPR. It will come to chat again. I will enter the CPR. Okay. We have received the CPR. Now the employee will go to the admin panel, will check about it. So review applications. Here we can see like the last one, Hassan Al Khij 98010, and all the information. It's still pending, didn't verify it. Here we can download the application, so we can know the information and review all the applications here. If he accepted, we can reject it. If it not accepted, yani for some reasons, they can reject it, make it rejected, or they can assign it to any services we have. Like let's say Hassan Al Khij, now we are making a service for him, a special service as shown in the website, so we'll assign it to him. And now we can come to the bot and say to him, your application is approved and assigned to special so it's very simple to chat in the to use the live chat, and it's very functional and error free, and that's what's special about it. Let's get about the let's back to the admin panel. We can see here 10 PD total donation, and that's what I just donated to Hassan. It received, and we can see Hassan Al Khij 10 PD is donated. Here it will give you the percent of the full the percent of the of how completed the services. Like we have this one, like we started it, the donation, so we have like aiming for 10,000 PV. It will give you how many percent did you finished yet. For general donation or another general, like let's say we will add the services without any minimum, without any maximum donation limit, it will get infinite, which is will stay at all infinite, no limit. Here we can see, as we can see, there is the total donation, the pending application, how many people has been assigned, like help people, how many assigned to a category, and the total services we have now. We check the review application. Let's add a news. Let's add a news about let's say we help people Bahrain gets better. And here we can show the thumbnail is the small picture in the main, and the picture is the bigger one. Let's say let's add any picture here. Add it. It had been added. Back to the panel. When we refresh here, we will see that it's included here. Okay. Manage slide panel. This one is the first one, the slide panel. We can add to it or delete. Let's say we want to delete the family help. Delete. Back to the panel, manage slides, deleted. We will add a new slide. Here, let's say Bahrain. Body, we help Bahraini. Here's the file. Added. We will back to there and we will see it's already there. This button will take you to the services and general donation. Let's back to the site, the admin panel. Manage services. Here we can add a services or disable a services. For example, if we make it this one, let's say it's 2020, so it's expired already. Let's update this one. Back to the panel. When we go here, we will see that's it. Not here. Manage services. We can run it again or stop it for a time, end it. Let's add a new services. Family help. Start date, make it 3. The end date empty, there is no expire date, we want it at all. Total needed, there is no total needed, we want it at all. Brief summary, helping poor families. Choose a file. It will be added. We'll go back to the admin panel. Let's see, it's already here because it's running. When we go manage the services, we see it's running directly. We can stop it. When we stop it, it's empty. Update minimum income. Here's the minimum income. Whenever anybody want to register, he can see the minimum income. Let's say minimum income, we want it 100. Update, it's already updated now. We can double check from there. Let's check it. Like any CPR, phone number, email. Choose file, any file here. Description. Total income, let's say it's I have 200 salary. The dictation is, or there is no dictation, so 0 dictation. Complete order, we'll say we'll value it because it's less than 100. We can complete it here. Say I have 100 dictation, so the minimum is 100. He will approve it. Manage employees. Here we can assign roles to employees. There are several types of roles. I'll show you now. I'm at Town Charity. Logout. Here the employee can register. Let's say the writer. Email, password, any password, phone number. Add, register successfully. Back home. You can say writer. So there is nothing because he don't have any role. Let's go. Manage employees. He is unapproved until now. So let's say he is a writer. Update him. Back to panel. Log out. And we say writer. Again. When he log in as a writer, as we can see, add news and manage slide panel. That's what a writer can do. There are several type of employees, as I said before. I'll show you to you now. I'll show them now. Okay, let's say we have the admin, which has controlling in everything. We have the writer, which he can, as I show you, write on news and add to a slide panel. Accountant, he can see only the this one, the income report. Manage employee, manage service. Okay, manage employee. Here we can see the accountant. Employee has several things to do, and unapproved he can't do anything. Let's say I want this one. I love the hub. I want him to be an employee. Let's register. Ali_imp. Email is anything. Password. Phone number. Let's register as admin. Manage employee. This one is an approved. We'll put him as employee. Update. As we can see, employee can update minimum income, review application, and manage services only. That's all about my project. Thank you for listening.